Welcome to the YouTube channel Hiba Tech. Today topic of our YouTube video is motorcycle accident lawyers in Texas. Texas leading motorcycle accident lawyers. Open road is not open season on Texas bikers. Recover medical bills, lost wages, property damage and more. We fight greedy insurance companies who want to pay you less. Free case review. Client net recovery 1760084 fractured leg, arm and ribs, traumatic brain injury. Client net recovery $585,000 fractured arm and scrotal tear, damaged lymphatic system. Client net recovery $13,560,79 fractured leg, sternum and ribs, nerve damage in legs. Client net recovery $647,398 fractured leg, arm and ribs, traumatic brain injury. Client net recovery $12,16,537 fractured leg, arm and ribs, leg amputation. Client net recovery is $749,519 fractured pelvis, leg and ribs, injured colon and spleen. Motorcycle accident injury attorney will make pay. Actual client results. Free case review. The biker lawyer will protect you and address your needs. If you are the victim of a motorcycle accident, consider hiring biker lawyer as your attorney. We understand there are several pressing needs that need to be addressed. Rest assured. Biker lawyer is dedicated to providing comprehensive support and addressing your needs. As a motorcycle rider, you need that people who spend their lives in cars don't understand what it means to be where you are. It's more than just the thrill of slicing through the wind and feeling the powerful rumble of your bike beneath you. The awesome freedom of communing with the open road that can't be understood until you have experienced it. Riders are also acutely aware of the fact that they don't have the same protections as drivers in automobiles, and they have to rely on other drivers to behave in a safe and responsible manner on the road. If you or a loved one has been injured in a motorcycle accident, call someone who understands what you are going through and has the knowledge and experience to get you the compensation you deserve. Contact Biker Lawyer today at 1-844-955-1029 or online to set up a free consultation and talk about your case. Free case review. David is a motorcyclist himself. He absolutely knows what it's like to share the road when you are on two wheels and all the other vehicles around you are on four or more, and he understands that you have a right to the roadway. Coffee. 5 Texas offices: Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, Houston, Waxahachie. Accident guides, crash cautions, common injuries, links and resources, blog location: Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, Houston, Waxahachie. Headquarters 14222 Merit DRSTE 250 Dallas TX 75251. Contact on 866 info at the rate bikerlawyer.com. Accident guide. The reality is, if you are a Texas biker, it's not a matter of if you will be involved in an accident, but when. Knowing the rights and wrong things to do at the scene can be critical to ensuring your immediate legal and financial protection as well as your physical and emotional well-being down the road. Just follow these simple rules. Rule 1. Remain at the accident scene.